Are you tired of feeling like your money has a mind of its own? Do you ever open your bank statement and wonder where all your hard-earned cash actually went? If so, you're not alone. In today's complex financial landscape, managing your money effectively can feel like a full-time job. From tracking subscriptions you forgot you had to making sure you're not overspending on that daily coffee habit, it's easy for things to slip through the cracks. And when that happens, your financial goals, whether it's saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or investing for the future, can feel more distant than ever. That's where personal finance apps come in. They promise to be your financial co-pilot, guiding you toward better spending habits, smarter savings, and a clearer picture of your overall financial health. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Today, we're diving deep into two of the most popular and highly rated contenders in the personal finance arena, Rocket Money and Copilot. We're going to break down their features, pricing, user experience, and overall effectiveness to help you decide which one is truly the best fit for your money management journey. So, grab a notepad, maybe a cup of that potentially over-budgeted coffee, and let's get into it. First up, let's establish what these apps are designed to do. Both Rocket Money and Copilot aim to simplify your financial life by providing a centralized hub for all your accounts. They connect to your bank accounts, credit cards, investments, and even loans, giving you a holistic view of your money. But while their core mission is similar, their approaches and specialized features differ significantly. Think of it like this: if you're building a house, both apps will help you manage the budget, but one might be better at identifying hidden leaks, while the other excels at forecasting future material costs. Let's start by taking a closer look at Rocket Money. Formerly known as Truebill, Rocket Money has built a strong reputation, particularly for its ability to identify and help cancel unwanted subscriptions. This feature alone has saved users countless dollars, as those small monthly charges often fly under the radar. Imagine signing up for a free trial, forgetting about it, and then realizing months later you've been paying for a service you never use. Rocket Money aims to put an end to that. Beyond subscription management, Rocket Money offers a comprehensive suite of features. You can track your spending across all linked accounts, allowing you to categorize transactions and see exactly where your money is going. It provides personalized spending insights, alerting you to unusual activity or potential overspending in certain categories. Their bill negotiation service is another standout. If they identify a bill that might be too high, they can actually contact your service provider on your behalf to try and get you a better rate. While they take a percentage of the savings, many users find this a convenient way to save money without the hassle of negotiating themselves. Rocket Money also includes budgeting tools, though some users find them to be more focused on monitoring past spending rather than proactive planning. You can set financial goals, and their Smart Savings feature allows for automated transfers to a designated savings account, helping you build your nest egg effortlessly. They offer credit score tracking and alerts for changes, and even a pay advance feature for up to $100 for those unexpected emergencies, with no interest or credit check. In terms of user experience, Rocket Money generally receives high marks for its intuitive interface and ease of use. It's designed to be accessible to a wide range of users, from budgeting beginners to those with more complex financial situations. The mobile app is clean and easy to navigate, presenting information in a clear and understandable way. Notifications are a big part of their strategy, keeping you informed about everything from bill increases to low account balances. Now, let's talk about pricing for Rocket Money. They operate on a pay-what-you-think-is-fair model for their premium subscription, which typically ranges from $6 to $12 per month. What's interesting is that you get the same features regardless of the amount you choose within that range. There is a free version, but it's quite limited in its functionality, primarily offering basic account tracking and some restricted categories. To unlock the full power of Rocket Money, including unlimited budget categories, concierge cancellations, and automated savings, the premium subscription is necessary. It's worth noting that the bill negotiation service often comes with a fee, typically a percentage, 30 to 60%, of the annual savings they achieve for you. Moving on to Copilot. Copilot positions itself as a more modern, AI-powered personal finance app, often lauded for its sleek design and deep analytical capabilities. It aims to not just show you where your money went, but to help you understand your spending patterns and make smarter financial decisions going forward. Copilot excels in its detailed categorization and insights. It uses AI to automatically categorize your transactions, and you can also create custom categories and rules for even more precise tracking. One of its key strengths is its predictive analytics. Copilot can forecast your spending and cash flow, giving you a clearer picture of your financial future. This can be incredibly valuable for proactive budgeting, helping you anticipate upcoming expenses and plan accordingly. Like Rocket Money, Copilot connects to a wide array of financial accounts, providing a consolidated view of your net worth, including investments. It offers robust budgeting features that are often described as more flexible and customizable than Rocket Money's, allowing for detailed planning and tracking against your goals. Copilot also provides smart notifications, alerting you to anything that requires your attention, from unusual spending to upcoming bills. A notable feature of Copilot is its focus on visualizing your financial data. Its interface is often praised for being visually appealing and providing clear graphs and charts that make understanding your financial trends easier. Some users appreciate its emphasis on a to-review section, ensuring you actively engage with your transactions and categorize them accurately. When it comes to Copilot's pricing, it's a premium service with a clear subscription model. There's usually a monthly fee, around $8.99, or a discounted annual fee. Unlike Rocket Money, there typically isn't a free version or a pay-what-you-want scale for the core personal finance app. It does, however, often offer a free trial period, usually around 30 days, to let you test out its features before committing. It's important to distinguish this personal finance app called Copilot from other Copilot AI products, such as Microsoft Copilot or GitHub Copilot, which are entirely different tools. For the purpose of this comparison, we're talking about the personal finance budgeting app. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.